Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to change units. So if you want to change units, you can type units, press enter, and will be open the drawing units dialog box. Now you can change for decimal in here type like architectural, engineering or another. So as default to be set into decimal. Like example here I will use the architectural. And this is for the sample output for the architectural, and this is for the decimal degree. You can choose degree, min and seconds or another option. This is for the precisions, like you can set two number in a comma or one number or none. Okay, the next for insert and scales, you can set into inch. It means if you insert like another drawings into your projects, it will be convert into the inch. If you don't, you can click OK. Now you can type a rectangle. As example, I will set into 10 and 10. Now if you draw again, it will be show for the inch in the column of the value. So you can change again like into units, press enter, and I will set for type into decimal, click OK, and if you type a rectangle, the value for the rectangle will be set into decimal. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to change units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.